Part B then, 2 plus root 3 over 5 plus 2 root 3. Just rationalise the denominator here, isn't it? So there's more than one term, so I'll need to put a bracket. So be careful here. So let's multiply top and bottom by 5 minus 2 root 3 in order to rationalise the denominator. 5 minus 2 root 3 then. And what do we get? That equals, top, first term is 2 5s are 10. Then 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 lots of root 3. Third term, root 3 times 5 is plus 5 root 3. And then the last term, plus times a minus is a minus. 2 times root 3 is 2 times 3, which is 6. All over. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times minus 2 root 3 is minus 10 root 3. Oh yeah, plus 10 root 3, that's why we're doing it. So we didn't need to write those second and third terms. The last term, plus times a minus is a minus. 2 times 2 is 4. And then root 3 times root 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. So that's equal to then 10 minus 6 is 4. Take away 4 plus 5 root 3 is plus root 3, isn't it? 25 take 12 is, these cancel of course, that's why we did it. 25 take 12 is 13. So we end up with 4/13 plus root 3 over 13. There we go.